Hi there and welcome to Tech Life, a channel where I aim to review everything from selfie sticks to laptops to IDs for coding, video editing, software for producing thumbnails, essentially anything tech related. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you have anything that you think I should review, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to review that product. Okay, in this short video we are going to unbox this drone. It's E88s. Relatively cheap. It cost me, including postage and packaging, it cost £23. I think the original price was about £25, £26, but they had a £3 discount on there. It claims to have brushless motors. Apparently it comes with a controller, and obviously it comes with the drone itself. The drone has a obstacle avoidance mechanism at the top, and also it also comes with a camera. So, like I said, cheap and cheerful. To be honest, didn't really want to get into buying drones or flying drones, but for some unknown reason, YouTube has been, the algorithm has been recommending drone videos to me for the last couple of weeks, and I've been foolish enough to watch them. One of the chaps I was watching actually reviewed this drone. Again, he said it was super cheap, and he flew it around, and it looked to be okay actually. So let's see what we get in the box. So make a little cut there. It's always a struggle to get things out of boxes. Oh wow. Actually comes with a plastic case. Did not expect that. So here we go. That is a controller. In the drone world they call these radios, and to be honest, it does feel it's all plastic, and it does feel cheap and cheerful, but I mean, it's £23, what do you expect? So that is the controller. You obviously use this contraption to place your phone. You get a USB-C cable, and these are additional props. So you do get replacement props, because there's a good chance they're going to break off there. That is the drone itself. That's in its folded state. I'll unfold it in a second or two. And then you get 2 batteries. Okay. There's something missing there though. So that's one of the batteries. And that's the second battery. Super light. Those are really light. Then you get a piece of foam, and then you get instructions. So the drone comes with 2 sets of instructions. This one over here is the instructions to download the app. So you can install an app on your smartphone, and you can control the drone from the app. And also you can use your phone to view whatever is being output from the camera. And as you can see, there's a QR code that takes you straight to the download of the app. So you've got instructions in Chinese and English, which is helpful because I don't speak Mandarin. And then this other set of instructions
Obviously it tells you what battery is required. Also gives you points out what the buttons on the RC, the remote control, do, and then also gives you a list of the components that are arrived. So you get the USB cable, and again this is in English and in Chinese, and there's a troubleshooting section down here as well. What I'm going to do with this is we'll charge it up and we'll see if it actually does anything in terms of flying. Let me put this stuff to one side and I'll unfold this. And just unfold it. So that's the size of it once it's unfolded. The props are really flimsy, and to be honest, the plastic is quite flimsy as well. So I'm not gonna. It's not. I don't think this is gonna last too long. I think that might be the antenna. So that is the unboxing of the grown E88s. As I say, I'll charge up the batteries and then we'll see if it flies.